back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and go ahead and comment after you watch the video. And so today I am doing a video on a slick back ponytail or slick back bun. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do that, and what you will need in the video is some gel, a spray bottle of water, a brush, one suitably for your hair. If you have coarser hair, then you're going to need a stronger brush. If you have softer hair, then you can have a softer brush. An edge brush. I have one with a rat tail comb on it. A rat tail on the end of it. So this comb is well rounded. You can find it at the beauty supply store. And also some edge control. Also, one more thing you're gonna need a scarf to tie your hair down so it can dry properly. And that's about it. This video is pretty simple, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So this is how we're pretty much starting off. My hair is about 2.5 weeks old, so we are doing this on dirty hair. We definitely want to use some water. Also, one more product that I forgot to mention is some leave-in conditioner or any type of conditioner that you would like to use on your hair preferably. So yeah, I'm about to just like kind of run my hands through my hair to get it kind of unstiff from being in that ponytail, and then we can move on to actually applying product. So going in with my spray bottle now, I'm just gonna lightly mist my hair. Also try to get inside of those parts so that the water reaches where I need it to go. So I'm just gonna continue to spray until we get it the right amount of wetness that we want. Next, since our hair is now wet, we're gonna take our Cantu leave-in conditioner. This is my favorite. I have a good amount of this in here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna dip my hand more than here, but this is how much I'm taking right now. I'm just kind of gonna put it all over my hands, and then I'm gonna go through my hair and kind of just spread it all over so that it makes the tangles loosen up pretty much, and just so I can get everything smooth before I put it in a bun, or before I start like smoothing it down with the gel. It's not gonna be cute right now, but it will be at the end. Next course of action is to begin to part. So I'm gonna do like a swooped, not really swooped, but like a side part. Now that we have our hair parted, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel and apply it to where my part is. So when you're doing this, you must understand that you have to apply gel to like the other sections as well. You can't just apply it to the top. So after I apply it here, I'm gonna go ahead and go through my hair and apply it all throughout my hair, just to make sure all the other sections are flat as well, because like I said, this is a sleek ponytail video. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. And a little product goes a long way when you are spraying water. It helps to add to the product you're using already. So next I'm gonna go in and take my brush and kind of just brush down all the sections where I put gel. Start smoothing everything. I'm gonna continue to spray water while I do this. Take this section next and start to brush. I went ahead and put my hair in a ponytail and sprayed a little bit more water because it's getting kind of dry now that I put it in a ponytail. And as you can see, I kind of did my draft one of what my baby hairs will kind of look like. But yeah, so what I'm about to do now is take my brush and brush my hair a little more, just to see if I can get it a little more flat. And I don't have actual baby hairs. If you can tell, I don't have actual baby hairs. So all my hair is like pretty much the same length. Okay, this hair is doing a little too much right here. All right, yeah, all my hair is pretty much the same in length in the front. And there was a time where like I wanted to have baby hairs like everybody else, like where you can swoop it in and do all this extra stuff to it, but like that is not how my hair was. And I actually went and cut some pieces of my hair when I was younger. So I'm gonna let y'all see what this is what my ponytail looking like right now before I wrap it up. It's pretty full, so we're gonna have a good size bun. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of shape my baby hairs again after brushing. First, I want to wrap my hair up. So I'm gonna take another scrunchie, kind of just hold my hair, and I'm gonna just round it into a ball as such. I'm taking my scrunchie now and just put it over top and then go around it another time. And now we can go ahead and take our scarf and tie our hair down for a few minutes so that it can dry a little bit. And I'll be back in about 10 minutes. My hair is a little drier now. So we're gonna go ahead and take our actual edge control, because edge control works better when your edges are a little dry. And this, oh, let me make sure y'all see this. This edge control is called EZEDGES. From what I can tell, it's an edge control and it's really good. It lasts 48 hours, super shine and moisture. It revitalizes and strengthens your hairline, flake-free, non-sticky, and non-greasy, and it's also excellent for braiding. So I'm gonna take the top off. This is how it looks on the inside. It's clear. So I'm gonna take a little bit on my finger and just go over my edges, which are pretty much dry. So basically what this will be doing is just like holding them in place. I am gonna go back through them to just define my edges so everything is precise. I don't really care that much about how my edges look, as long as they're on bleak, and that's period. But this part, yeah, I definitely got to do something to this because my hair is just like, no, it's trying to curl up. So this edge control will definitely help to keep my hair laid down and relaxed where I want it to be. I'm just gonna put a little bit right there. You don't want to clump it too much because it'll make it look kind of just weird, I feel like. I'm just gonna brush it a little bit. Next, we're going to go ahead and put our scarf back on and let it dry for a little longer, just to make sure those edges are pressed down and where we want them to be. And I will be back in just a moment. It'll be like 2 seconds for y'all, but like a good another 10 minutes for me. And we're about to get into the final or finished look for this hairstyle. So this is what I'm looking like. We are at the end of our video. Hopefully you guys love this hairstyle. It's so easy. It's an easy summertime hairstyle that you guys could do in about 15 minutes if you have the right products and if you do it in the order I just said, because all the products I used in this video will make it easier, especially if you have hair like mine, which is very thick. I have a mixture of 3C, 4A, 4B type hair. So all the products I've listed are helpful to my hair, but if you have products that you already like to use, then go ahead and use those products. But before I go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can keep getting my content every time I post a new video. Also, turn on your post notification bell once you press subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.